Okay, hello and good day everyone. No? So today we will discuss about the angles formed by 2 seconds interior point theorem. Okay, so in angles formed by 2 seconds interior point theorem, it states that the measure of an angle formed by 2 seconds intersecting in the interior of the circle is equal to the half is equal to half the sum of the measures of the arc intercepted by the angle and the angle vertical to it. So dito ang difference doon sa sinundan netong topic is that the two angles here no form an the 2 seconds here are the 2 seconds form an angle inside doon sa circle. Kasi nung sa sinundan netong topic, yung 2 seconds no form an angle outside the circle. But this time naman inside the circle, sa loob na mismo mabubuo, no? Just like this one, no? In a given circle, we have 2 seconds here. We have fx and gy, no, are seconds intersecting in the interior of the circle at point H, no? So yung point of intersection nila is point H, forming a vertical angles GHX and FHY, and also FGH and YHX, no? So nakakapag-form siya ng two pairs of vertical angles. Now, we cannot prove this one, no? So here, measure of angle GHX is equal to the measure of angle FHY is equal to the half of the measure of arc FY and plus measure of arc GX. Okay? So ang angle natin FHY, tapos yung arcs niya or yung mga intercepted arcs niya are FY and GX. Now, using this formula, no? Okay. Here, different figure tayo, no? Dapat di tayo nagbago eh. Anyway, here, if measure of arc VY is 87 degrees and measure of arc TM is 103 degrees, find measure of angle TXM. Okay? So here, yung VY natin at saka yung arc TM are the intercepted arc of TXM. Okay? Therefore, we can use this formula. Measure of angle TXM is equal to the half of the measure of arc VY plus measure of arc TM. Now, substitute natin yung VY natin to 87, yung TM natin is 103. Take note class, pwede itong mag-interchange kasi nga nasa addition tayo. Remember, kapag nasa addition, meron tayong commutative property. Always commutative property yon. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pwede mag-interchange yung mga addends. Now, 87 plus 103 is equal to 190 degrees times 1/2 or divided by 2, then we have 95 degrees here. Okay? Next, number 2. If measure of arc YM naman, this time, itong part na to, is 94 degrees and measure of angle TXV, ito yun ha, TXV is 101 degrees. What is the measure of arc TV? Ito yun. Now, using this formula again, no, yung VT or TV and YM are intercepted arcs of angle TXV. Therefore, measure of angle TXV is equal to the half of the measure of arc YM plus measure of arc TV. Now, your TXV here given na, which is 101 degrees, and your YM is 94. Now, find your measure of arc TV. Now, multiply natin muna by 2 to. 101 times 2 is equal to 202 degrees. No? Then transpose 94 to the other side. We have 202 minus 94 is equal to 108 degrees. Okay? Therefore, your measure of arc TV is 108 degrees. Okay? Next, number 3. No? Here, may mga variables tayo. No? If measure of angle TXV is 40 degrees, yung TV natin is 13x plus 4, YM natin is x plus 6. What is x? RTV and arc YM. Again, using this formula, no? Substitute your TXV to 40 equal to 1/2 times your YM is to 13x plus 4, and then yung TV natin is x plus 6. Multiply mo na by 2 to. 40 times 2 is equal to 13 plus 6x I mean 13x plus 4. Remove natin yung grouping symbol. Then x plus 6. Again, this time class, no? Yung sign natin dito, hindi nagbago. Why? Kasi addition yung nagse-separate. Kung subtraction yan, it might change the signs of x and 6. But this time, plus yan, that would mean positive siya. So I mean positive times x pa rin. Positive times positive 6 is still positive 6. Now, 2 times 40 is 80. Combine the similar terms, 13 minus x. I mean 13 plus is 13x plus x plus 4 plus 6, no? 13x plus x is 14x. 4 plus 6 is 10. Transpose 10 to the other side, we have 80 minus 10 is equal to 70. Then divide both sides by 14. 70 divided by 14 is equal to 5. Then cancel this out. Your x is equal to 5. Okay? Now, punta tayo sa measure of arc TV. I mean, hindi na kompleto, no? Okay. Okay, punta tayo kay measure of arc TV. Okay, here, no? Hanapin naman natin si measure of arc YM, no? So, si measure of arc, I mean TV muna. Si measure of arc TV muna. Measure of arc TV here is equal to 13x plus 4 degrees, no? So, yan ang value niya. Lagyan natin ng arc. Hindi ko kasi nailagay. Okay. Now, substitute your x to substitute your x to 5. So, magiging 13 times 5 here is equal to 13 times 5 is equal to 65. Tama? Then 65 plus 4 65 plus 4 is 69. Okay? Puno natin to. And therefore, the measure of our TV here is equal to 69 degrees. Okay? And this one, highlight natin in red. Okay, no? So 69 degrees yung TV natin. So what about your YM, no? Yung YM here, i-change natin to as YM. And yung YM natin is x plus 6. Okay? Substitute your x. Substitute your x to 5 plus 6. No? That would be equal to 11. Okay? 11 degrees for your YM. No? Pakita ko na lang to. YM. Okay? So nakuha na natin yung tatlo. Okay? Now, proceed tayo sa exercise, no? Okay. Applying the tangent secant interior point theorem, solve the following. So ito yung figure natin, no? If measure of arc ED is 19, NY is 27, what is your ELD? Then ELD. Okay? Now, substitute natin, no? Yung ED natin is 19, yung YN or NY is 27. So 19 plus 27 is 46 times 1 half is equal to 23 degrees for your measure of angle ELD. Okay? Next, if measure of angle YLN is 39 and yung NY natin is 37 degrees, find your ED. Okay? Again, using this formula, no? Yung measure of angle YLN is equal to half of the measure of arc NY plus measure of arc ED. Yung YLN natin is 39, yung NY natin is 37. 39 times 2 is equal to 78. Transpose 37 to the other side. You have 78 minus 37 is equal to 41 degrees for your measure of arc ED. Okay? Next, number 3, ELD natin is 43 degrees, ED is 4x plus 1, and yung YN natin is 5x plus 4. Find your x. Okay? Again, using this formula, no? ELD natin is 43 equal to 1 half times yung ED natin is 5x plus 4, YN is 4x plus 1. Now, multiply mo na by 2 to, 2 times 43, then remove the grouping symbols here. 2 times 43 is 86. Combine the similar terms, 5x plus 4x plus 1, plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 9x plus 5. Transpose 5 to the other side, you have 86 minus 5 is 81. Then divide both sides by 9. 81 times 9 is equal to 9. So your x here is equal to 9. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, so your assignment and quiz are to be followed. Okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless.